All right, it's your boy Credit K, be on Boss YouTube channel, where I show you how to get gig economy jobs. Start your own business, find routes for your trucking, courier, or sprinter van. So I'm here with a new gig economy job video on the way to the Urban Runner warehouse here in Atlanta. Urban Runner is a food delivery service. So they partner with catering companies and they deliver pre-made meals to their customers. So I'm gonna go in here, talk with the managers, see if I can get me a route, as well as probably multiple routes for other drivers for my business. Just don't wanna, be an employee. I just wanna be a partner with them. So we're gonna see what I can talk up. If I can show you around the warehouse, I'll do that. Like I said, Urban Runner. Stay tuned.
That you already have gone through, you'll have a bunch of used bags. You come here, separate them accordingly. Over here, this area will be bags ranging from 17 to 22. Those bags are going to be they're going to be between this size, and a smaller size.
Right, coming out Urban Fresh warehouse where they deliver produce and other food items in bags, sort of like DoorDash, but definitely paying a lot more. Paying what they say, like $7 a bag, plus mileage, 70 cents a mile. I'm gonna try to negotiate that up a little bit for the wear and tear. I still need to talk with the manager. They wasn't on duty today, just the team lead was there. Manager's in the warehouse, so I'm gonna get on the call with them later this week or next week before getting started. But they definitely have 2 routes that I can get started. So if you're in the Atlanta area, Urban Fresh is a new delivery partnership you guys can partner with. And I guess the delivery company you guys are partner with. If you guys want to work with me, fastlyatl@gmail.com. Send me an email with your contact information and type of vehicle you drive, just in case I need you to drive your vehicle. But other than that, man, yeah, it's kind of wrap up this video. I was kind of filming kind of incognito like, so I hope that some of the other content looks presentable for you guys. I want to give you more live content. Most of my videos been sitting behind a computer screen, floating head. I'm gonna show you guys I'm really out here doing this, really out here vetting these companies. Even if I take the job tonight, if I do the routes or not, still talking with them, talking with the managers, making sure it's legit, making sure the pay is good. I was talking with some of the other drivers that were pulling up, loading their vehicles at the time, and yeah, they say they made pretty good money. They're working in between like 6 to 8 hours a day. Sometime a little sooner. They say you can kind of measure your route the way you want it, and tell them where you want to go, how far out. Seem real flexible, seem real cool. So we're gonna see. All right, be on Boss, Fresh. Later.